Howdy folks, welcome back to Manly Boy Outdoors. This, I don't know how well you can see it. This pile right here, this is what we're currently working on. And we got some stuff over there that we're working on. We got this stuff around this rock right here. And we've got the rest of this that we're in the middle of working on at the present time here. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching, folks. And by the way, I did exactly what I said I was going to do. I put the load that was in that trailer, I put that up on that cow manure pile. And while I'm at it, while I'm videoing here, I might as well show you what I've got done with this trailer so far. Though it needs to be tightened up, but it's better than it was. I got this in here Saturday evening / afternoon. Took me a while, but I got it done. Had to go down through, and we had to bolt it from underneath. And there's potential that I might actually redo that job. I might move some of these. I may move some of these here, or at least one of them, and put them closer to the, I don't know if you can see, but I want them right in the middle of that. That's what I want. Because right now they're both over those tires right there, and I do not like that at all. But it is what it is. At least it's a temporary fix for now, until I can figure out something else. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next video.